Rhys here from McWilliams Decorators, and we are lifting the lid on Tikkurila Nova 2. We will be using it on this newly spray plastered ceiling. Reason we're using it is because it's a nice white colour and it's also lovely to spray, and it's got a very low sheen level, so that's why we've picked this on this particular project. So we've set the Nova up. I've thinned it by 10% using the trusty TriTech T5, probably at about 1500 pressure, and just using a standard gun with the clean shot on and the 1 meter extension bar with a gold tip fine finish 518. So we've just finished using Nova 5. Like I said, we thinned it down by 15% and just finished the ceiling. Really happy with it. Very little overspray. Nice finish. Seamless, in fact. So if you're having any new building work and you're in the Birmingham area, blatant plug for McWilliams Decorators, give us a call and see what we can do for yourselves.